And wow, steak and sweet potatoes. Look at this, guys. Steak and sweet potatoes. Look at that. Look at that. Sure beats Oreos and Coca-Cola. Damn. Who's that? Is that the ribeye? That's a ribeye. Ribeye for dinner with sweet taters. Ribeye for dinner with sweet taters. Ribeye for dinner with sweet taters. That's what I'm gonna eat. See what I'm saying? By the way, you ain't getting this kind of shit in prison. Okay, all right, I'm out of here. You know what I'm saying? Oh, you're gonna have some of that, aren't you?
I have
Yes.
something.
Huh?
I have something.
Well, you're certainly welcome to some of that.
No,
Look, she's even cutting it for me.
I'm shopping for.
What a gal. Look at that. Look at my God. Precious, very precious. Look at that. Mmm. Isn't that mouth-watering, people? It sure beats some S&R sugar foods and Oreos and all that crap. Okay. What do you have, A1 on there?
Yeah.
She's got some A1 sauce on there too, babe. Damn. I am going to take the first bite here. 'Cause I'm saving all my love for you. Love, exciting and new. Come aboard. We're expecting you.